Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. I know it's so crazy, it's already a new year, but on 2018 I'm going to do my best to talk more about hair because I'm like so picky when it comes to hair, and about wigs. I'm going to try to get my hands on some fun, colorful wigs to keep this popping and change it for the new year, you know. So on today's video I'm going to do a review and a demo on Flixy Hair Extensions. I have never tried this. This is how the packaging looks. It's your plastic and just says Flixy Hair with all their information over here. Now, one thing that I really like about this is that they have this little package right here where it says tester strip, open me first. So you want to open this first and test it out on your hair if this is the same color as your hair, so you don't have to open this, and you know, that way you can return it, you know, and get your hair. So this is how it comes all nice in wrap. The one that I have is the espresso brown in 20 inches.
It has two clips for a more secure grip.
So there's different ways to apply this. Now what I'm gonna do is just create a little crown bun. Is that how you call it? I don't know. So now all you have to do is measure it to make sure that it doesn't fall off and that it's nicely and secure. So put it in that line right there. So now you see this right here. All you have to do is pull this, and whenever you feel that it's really secure, then just grab it. You want to make sure you do 3 knots, and I'm doing actually 4 for a more secure hold, and this is the last little piece that I got. Then you just want to add it and start blending. They're really quick and easy to fit, and they cause no damage due to the fact that the extensions do not have to be attached to your hair or scalp, so that's why there's no damage to your hair at all. Make sure you blend it. Isn't it crazy that you have to blend everything, even your fake hair? So make sure it blends really well, and as you see, I can see that right there. So just keep blending. By that, just take out some of your hair. That though, you can see my freaking dandruff though. But look at that. Look at that. Do you see me? No? No. How good this thing is. And I have like 3 lights in front of me and you can't even see it. The good thing that I like about this is that it also comes with those little clips that you can just clip on your hair to make them more secure if you feel like it's a little bit loose. I really like this, guys. It feels really nice and thick and really secure. Look, I'm still not showing any track line. You can already see the difference, that my hair looks more flat. It doesn't have much volume, and of course, it feels much lighter. It feels like I don't have anything. Oh. Look at the before.
You can see on the left side I have no volume whatsoever from the roots down. It feels much thinner, and the other side feels much thicker and more volume. I'm going to show you guys how it looks with the ponytail because it makes a major difference.
So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful start of your New Year's. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we are growing and growing. Make sure to comment down below if you had tried this hair extensions. If not, would you try? I will definitely be reading your comments. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.